Rising Studios, and this tutorial is for backstitch. Backstitch is the simplest of line stitches. You can use it to trace over lines in any sort of pattern or design. Here's how to do it. To begin backstitch, find the point where you want to start your line and bring your needle up through the back of the fabric, pulling the thread through until you bump into your knot. Reinsert your needle a little way away, about ½ inch or less, and pull the thread through until that first stitch sits flush on the top of the fabric. Go ahead and leave a space now, about the same length of space as the length of your first stitch, and bring your needle back up on the line that you want to create, reinserting your needle back down through the same hole in the fabric that ended your first stitch. These two stitches are going to share that hole in the fabric where they meet, leaving no space in between. Repeat this process for every consecutive stitch, bringing your needle up through the back of the fabric on your line, again leaving a space that's the length of stitch you want to create, and reinserting your needle back down into the fabric through the same hole that ended your previous stitch. If you have a stitch where one or all of your strands of thread aren't sitting cleanly and neatly down on your fabric, you can smooth them with the side of your needle or your fingernail, or you can gently tug on the stitches from behind on the back side of the hoop. You can tug on them by tucking the needle into there and gently pulling until the stitch sits flush against the top of your hoop. In this hoop, I've used backstitch to create this cool arched wallpaper design. The simplicity of this stitch is really nice here because it doesn't detract from what else is going on in the design, and it has just a really nice gentle effect. This is a quick and easy way to make lines, and I hope you find lots of ways to use it. Thanks for learning!